Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's video. So first of all, let me show you the work that I have done so far in last videos. As you know, in last video I was working on rpool.html file. So we will try to develop the same page and the next section in this video. So moving to the Sublime text editor of rpool.html file. Okay, as you can see, Sublime text editor with the file rpool.html is opening, and now it is opened. So moving to the last part at line number 39. Okay, there is a opening of div tag with the class attribute having the value jumbotron, rpool1, rpool top1 and bg danger. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag, we will have a p tag with the class attribute top1 para. Okay, inside this p tag we will have a span tag with a class attribute top1 para1 okay, and inside a span tag we will have a content as share your rights on rpool, share your rights on rpool. Okay, closing of span tag, and after that inside p tag we will have a content as bike pool and a carpool for professionals. Bike pool and carpool for professional. Okay, and after that there will be a closing of p tag after a span tag. As you can see, I have already done it on line number 45. Okay, there will be another p tag with class attribute with the value top1 para as same as we did in the line number 40, and inside this p tag the content will be intra-city services, intra-city services currently live in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. Currently live in Hyderabad, Pune and New Delhi. Okay, after that there will be closing of p tag, and after that closing of div tag on line number 49. Okay, and after that there will be an opening of nav tag with class attribute having the value navbar expand, navbar expand, sorry, navbar, there will be no dash after navbar, and dash after expand, and sm for small, and bg dark, and sticky top. These all are the bootstrap classes. Inside nav tag we will have button tag with the class attribute navbar toggler, and type will be button, sorry, type will be button, and data target with the value hashtag rpool nav2, rpool nav2, and button tag will be closed. Okay, there is one attribute also as a data toggle, collapse. Inside button tag we will have span tag with the class attribute navbar toggler icon, and span tag will be closed. After that button tag will be closed, and after that we will have another div tag with the class attribute collapse, and id will be as attribute, and the value of id will be whatever we have written in data target attribute. This will be id except that of hashtag. Okay, inside this div tag we will have ul tag with the class attribute navbar nav, and li tag with the class attribute having the value nav item. This is basically a navigation bar that I am trying to develop here. So all the codes will be as same as the codes of navigation bar that I have developed, I have created before here. Okay, as you can see from line number 18 to 38. Okay, after li class with the attribute with the value nav item, we will have anchor tag with the attribute href, and the value of href will be hashtag how it works, okay, and the class will be navlink, and content will be how it works, navlink, and content will be how it works. Sorry, I forgot to show you the section that I am trying to develop. So first let me show you the sample project of today's developing session. So this is rpool.html file. Okay, in this video right now I am developing this section. Okay, this navigation bar. As we change the screen size, you can see all the elements is hidden by a button, and on clicking on the button you can see all the elements are visible. just as same as navigation bar. So moving to the Sublime Text Editor, put coding part. Now copy this li tag for 1, 2, 3 and 4 times, and 1 times already there, so we need to copy for 3 times. 2, 3, 4. This is it. And now change the values of href attribute, and second value will be what is Rpool. What is Rpool? Okay, and the content will be also what is Rpool. Here the content will be corporate, and the content will be corporate. Okay, and the last one is Rpool for RWS. Rpool for RWS. Okay, now copy this UL tag from line number 55 to line number 68 and paste it on line number 69. And here we need to just add one other bootstrap class, that is ML auto. First let me show the output, then I will explain the codes, the new code that I have used here. And the content, change the content of second UL tag, sorry, anchor tag. Content will be Rpool, and value of href attribute will be also Rpool, and customer review. Okay, customer review, and last one is facts, FAQs. FAQs, and here also will be FAQs. Now save it and see the changes that are showing on our working project. So as you can see, there is a problem. Actually on clicking the button they are visible as same as our requirement. Okay, but on making the screen size big, all are become visible, and also the button is still visible. That should not be. Okay, we need to make this button invisible on bigger screen size, and other elements should be visible. So for this there must be some error in the codes. Okay, now we'll expand small. Busy dark sticky top, but number tooler, data button, data toolkit, do not will collapse. Okay, number spend number control icon, collapse number, collapse Rpool nav2, your class number nav item. All are good, color correct. Then why error is showing, still showing? neighbor tubular. Okay, neighbor tubular. Yeah, this is present here. Tie button and mirror toggle collapse and data target Rpool nav2. I think here this should be MD medium. But still not visible. Okay, let me check. Button class number tubular, button type button, data target tubular, tubular collapse, span class number tubular icon, span class button close, type class collapse number collapse, ID Rpool nav2, new class nav or nav item, nav close, nav item. Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Text light. Save it and see the changes. What is the error, man? Never spend small. There is mistake in spelling. Now it's correct. Yes. Mistake was that I have used incorrect spelling of number here. Okay. Nothing else. So this is it. When changing the screen size, invisible, and on clicking the button, they are visible. So this is good. Okay. Now moving to the previous part, as you can see, our sample project has, yes, you can see this like, and our working project has nothing like that. Okay. So first let me change this. Inside a CSS file, I need to implement changes. Okay. Tutorial page. CSS Rpool. I need to create one CSS file for Rpool. Rpool.css. Inside this, we will copy the code as a class name. Okay. First one is Rpool top one. Control C and dot control B. Inside Rpool top one, we will have background color as RGB 200 and the second class was top 1 para. Control C dot control V, and the property will be font size 30px. Okay, and the third one is top 1 para 1. Control C dot V, sorry, and the property will be color white. Nothing is changes, nothing has changed. Sorry for the wrong sentence. Okay, here will be css slash rpool.css, and now the changes should be reflect here. Yes, but still some error. This should be bold, I think. Okay, now let me check first whether it is working or not. So these are good, as same as our simple project. There's slightly difference in the context of text, okay, and boldness of text. Here we have not used that, okay, boldness. That's not a big deal. Otherwise all things are good and correct as per our requirement. So this is it for today's video. In next section we will try to develop how it works section. Okay, thank you, see you in next video.